Get in the car.
Yoo-hoo! Let's go!
Oh no, I can't stop.
Oh no!
I can't stop. Get out.
Help me! Oh no!
Oh no, this is terrible. Someone needs help. I will put out the fire now.
Thank you!
Oh yeah! Let's go!
We need to fix railway. Okay.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Hey, watch it, buddy!
Oh no, I'm overweight.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no!
No, no, no!
Somebody help me! What's happening? Help me! Please, help me!
Aha!
Oh no. Please help me.
Okay.
Oh no.
No, no, no! No, no, no!
Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me.
Oh my gosh! Hey! Hey!
I need your help, please.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, boss.
Oh my gosh!
I can't hear you.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, thank you. Thank you very much.
Say thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yes. That's funny. Yeah. Yahoo. Wow. Well done. Nice. Good job.
Oh no, the forest is full of trash. Let's clean up together. Yes, protecting the forest is our duty.
Okay!
Too much garbage.
The crane is cleaning the forest. Let's all help protect the environment.
Please remove trash for me.
Okay!
I am done.
La 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 la.
Not so clean. Oops, the sign turned the wrong way. I am done. Hey, I found some strong wooden logs.
Okay!
Let's collect precious wood. Reusing materials helps save resources.
Wow, amazing! Let's go this way, guys.
Oh no, something's wrong. Always stay alert to be safe.
What? Looks like we're lost. Oh no, I slipped. Help me, please. I come here right now. fighting, fighting, fighting. It's so dangerous. We need to build a bridge. Let's build a wooden bridge. Ouch! That log plays bowling! Let me help.
Carefully connect the bridge parts. Always work with care. Use strong wood for the bridge. A solid bridge keeps everyone safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Learn and play every day.
Amazing.
Ta-da! The wooden bridge is done. Teamwork is awesome.
Wow, it's so beautiful. It's safe. Let's go.
Now the cars can cross safely. Teamwork makes us stronger.
It's so good. When friends work together, anything is possible.
What happened?
Oh my God!
Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Haha. Stop. Stop.
Huh?
Come on in.
Free stuff! Oh yeah! Much later.
Hello? Hello?
What happened? Half of the construction materials are gone.
This is a major problem. We should call for backup.
Someone stole the bridge materials.
All right, let's transform.
Transform! Hey! Okay, here we go.
Yo, 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 yo!
Hey! Something's missing.
Follow me.
Hey, stop!
Oh my god! Stop! Or I'll shoot! Oops, did I just block your way?
Whee! Stop right there.
You're under arrest.
You suck! Now, tell us where you hid the materials.
1 hour later.
Yahoo! We have enough materials now.
Let's lift this safely.
Bing bang. Come on, y'all. Let's do this.
Ten years later.
Hey!
A few minutes later. Let's go!
Hey! Hey!
Bing bang.
Stealing slows everyone down.
I just wanted attention. Helping builds roads. Pranks break them. Work together. It's faster. This planet is so cool.
Oh my god!
What happened?
Help me! Help! Much later.
What happened?
Something big just happened. Team, get ready. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform! Transform!
Transform.
Hey! Oh my gosh! Help me, please. There's a UFO here. I will help you. Water blast, go.
Yo, 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 yo!
Hang on, I'll lift you up.
Hooray! Oh yeah!
Hey guys, let me help you.
Thank you, my friend.
Come on, come on.
Yeah.
It's action time. I come here. I'll flatten the road. Oh, not flying yet.
Hey! Hop on! Let's try together!
Let's go!
Yay, I did it!
That's amazing. Have a fun trip around Earth.
Thank you guys so much. Bye, have a great time.
Look, the police officer is sleeping on his car. He must be really tired.
Ha ha ha, I will rob the police car. Perfect plan.
Hey, wake up, wake up. Huh? What? Help me, please help me.
Okay!
Let me help.
The police officer jumped into the river. He really wants to help.
Ha ha ha, I'm feeling very smart.
But wait! Steve just took the police car. That's not okay. Oh no! A train is coming from the opposite side.
Oh no, stop!
Crash! The train hits the police car. Both fall into the river.
Oh no, so hurt. In the river with an accident, come here. We come here.
The tow truck pulls out the train from the river. That's strong teamwork.
Thank you so much.
Now the police car is being lifted too. Good job, rescue team.
Thank you.
Okay!
Let's go. We have to build them more firmly. Amazing! Take wood to build bridges.
Okay!
The trailer is loaded with wood beams and train tracks.
Rail for train. Go.
Here come all the construction vehicles. Let's build something new.
Let's start. I will make the track more firmly.
The dump trucks pour gravel to form the new road foundation.
Continue. Let me increase the certainty.
The road roller flattens the gravel, smooth and steady.
Let me increase the certainty. Yeah, wonderful. I come here.
Train tracks and wood beams are laid down carefully.
Install it carefully.
The welding machine joins the tracks together.
Making wooden bridges for cars.
The wooden bridge is hammered tightly, strong and secure.
I come here. It's so wonderful.
Ta-da! The wooden bridge is finally complete. Strong, steady, and ready for adventure.
Don't drive into the tracks, very dangerous. Remember to subscribe to the channel below.
Yo, 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 yo!
Hello!
Hey!
I think there's a better game than that.
What is that?
Jump across that broken bridge over there.
No, it's very dangerous.
You're such a coward.
Just ignore him. Let's go. Let's go! Whee! Hey!
Yo, 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 yo.
Bing bong.
Come on!
Okay, here we go. Wow, that's really great.
I can do it. Look at me! It hurts so much. Help me!
Oh my God! What should we do?
I don't know.
Meanwhile...
Go, go, go!
Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Let's go!
Help us save our friend, please.
Okay already.
Be careful.
Option B.
Much later.
Are you ready?
Yes! Come on! You can do it! Woo! Doggy! Let's rope 'em and ride!
Help!
Go, 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 go!
Here, here.
Oh no! Can you help my friend get here?
Okay already.
You can go through now.
Hooray! Hooray!
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have come up with this dangerous prank.
Anyway, everyone is safe now.
Right. As long as you know your mistake, you can correct it.
Thank you, guys.
Now it's party time.
What is that sound?
Nothing.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? Oh no!
What happened?
What? Oh my God!
Help! No! Help me!
Oh, yeah.
Help me!
Don't kill me.
Huh?
What?
What is that sound?
The children have gone missing.
Monster. There's a cave behind us.
Oh no!
Come on! Oh my God!
Oh no!
Oh my God!
Oh, come on!
It's too strong. We need to join force.
Come on, you can do it!
Oh, come on! Come on, guys, let's go!
Come on, you can do it!
Oh!
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
Come on, guys, let's go!
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
Let's go!